Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your Night Owl Connect app not working problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So there are some basic issues that can cause the problem. First thing is checking on your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, then that can be the problem for it to not work. So make sure to switch to another network if existing one is not working. Next thing is making sure that your app is updated one, because if it's not updated, then that can also cause the issue. And then so for that, go to App Store, search up Night Owl Connect, and then see if it needs update or not. Then update the app and you should be able to be good. And check the app's compatibility with your devices if the app is not compatible enough, and that can cause the issue as well for you to operate the Night Owl Connect. Next thing is the software update. If your mobile device or tablet or anything that you're using is not updated, or if it needs an update, that can also sometimes cause the issue. So go ahead and update your software and you should be good to go. So those are the things that you should be looking out for, and check it out and solve it, and that should help. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.